Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY, and this is going to be a Christmas DIY decor. So I'm starting with some of the mirrors that you can get from the Dollar Tree. These are some of the round mirrors. I'm also using these plates. I think they come either 6 to a pack or either 8 to a pack, but the plates are in the party section. So I'm just using some of the Fix All, and I'm adhering the mirror down to this plate. And next, I'm also using a mirror, one of the round I think it's an 8-inch mirror that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also using this charger here. So I'm using a Fix All and I'm adhering the mirror down to the charger. And I also will use something just to hold it down, to put add weight to the mirror to make sure it stays in place. I'm also using these fairy lights here. You can get these from the Dollar Tree. All of the items you can get these from the Dollar Tree. So these are the fairy lights, and I always like to go ahead and put batteries in mine to make sure that they're going to be working, because I have had some that did not work. So I like to put the batteries in it to make sure before I go to adding it to a project. So basically I'm just taking the hot glue and I'm going around the mirror portion of the I'm going around the mirror part on this, because I'm also going to use the frame that the mirror came out of to go on top. So just using the hot glue and just gluing the wire down in place. I also left a little bit of the wire to have to go on the back of this decor piece. Next, I'm using the frame that the mirror came out of. I also spray painted the frame. So the frame is spray painted, and I want to say it's Rust-Oleum metallic silver. Actually, this had been spray painted a while back. This was a project that I started on a while back, but I never did put it out. So I just decided to go ahead and use this and add a little bit of Christmas decor to it. So this is how it's looking when the lights are turned on and off. So I'm using this snowflake ornament here. This is like the metal type snowflake ornament. They had these same ornaments last year as well. So I'm using some of the Mod Podge and glitter, and I'm just adding a little bit to the tips of the snowflake. You can combine the Mod Podge and glitter together, or you can place some Mod Podge and then sprinkle the glitter on top. But you do want to follow up with some Mod Podge to seal that glitter in so that you don't have a glitter mess. And this is how it's looking, but of course it has to dry. I also took some of the Mod Podge and I'm going around the mirror portion of the plate, and I'm just spreading it out using one of these sponge foam brushes. So just spreading the Mod Podge just around the silver portion, the mirror portion, and I'll follow up with some glitter as well. Now the Dollar Tree does carry glitter, but this is some glitter that I previously had, and it came from Walmart. And just shake off any excess glitter. Now this part can actually be done before you glue the mirrors down, but as I stated before, a part of this project was already done a while back, and the mirror was already glued down. So, but you may want to do that part first before you do the Mod Podge and glitter mixture. So I'm using a napkin ring here, and I'm sorry the camera was not in the right position, but I'm using some Fix All and a napkin ring, and I'm just placing some Fix All on the tip of the napkin ring so I can adhere this down to the plate, as well as, well, I'm adhering it to the mirror, both mirrors, the mirror on the plate, as well as a mirror, as well as a napkin ring to be glued down to the mirror on the charger. And I followed up with a little bit of hot glue. Sorry you guys can see any of that. And I'm just going to place this in the center. And then I go in with some more Fix All and a little bit of hot glue to adhere the snowflake. Now the napkin ring part is optional. You don't necessarily have to have the napkin ring. You can do this if you want to or not. Everything in my videos are always optional. You can do things however you guys like them to be done. So I'm repeating those same steps and adhering the napkin ring to the mirror on the charger. And I just want to center it up. And I'm just trying to remove any excess strings of glue. And just apply some pressure to make sure it is adhered. And I also followed up with some of the beads. These are like the monogram beads. The Dollar Tree do carry these beads, but you can also get them from Walmart, and you can also get them from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby as well. So just going around the little grooves on the top of the frame. Just going around the inner groove, and then there's one on the outer groove. Just following that pattern. And so it's going to be 2 rows. There's a row in the inner part, there's one on the outer part, and then at the around the base of the frame itself, I also added a layer of the monogram beads as well. And that's the layer going around the bottom of the frame. So I also glued the battery pack down to the back of the charger, and I also left the side where the battery can be changed. That side is not glued down. You just want to glue down the back side of it. And I'm following up with the Fix All and the hot glue, and I'm adding the plate in the center. Just apply some pressure to make sure everything is adhered, and you are basically done. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the mantle. You also can put these on the wall if you desire to hang them on the wall by using some command strips. So I like the way it turned out. This is a Christmas decor piece. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you for all of your wonderful comments and all of your continuous support for supporting my channel. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you don't want to miss out on any videos that I upload, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but also press that post notification bell so you'll be alerted when the next video is coming out. So that's it for now, you guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also leave me some comments and share the video. So until next time, you guys, bye.